Conversational AI refers to technologies that enable computers to engage in human like conversations. It encompasses a variety of technologies and concepts to make interactions with machines more natural and intuitive. Here's a breakdown. Key concepts: 1. Natural language processing, NLP. Definition: NLP is the technology that helps computers understand, interpret, and respond to human language. Components: natural language understanding, NLU, helps the machine understand what the user is saying. Natural language generation, NLG, allows the machine to generate human-like responses. Speech recognition converts spoken language into text. Speech synthesis converts text into spoken language. 2. Machine learning, ML. Definition: a method of data analysis that automates the building of analytical models. Role in conversational AI: helps the AI learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. This involves training models on large data sets to recognize patterns and make predictions. 3. Dialogue management. Definition: the process that manages the flow of conversation. Function: decides how to respond to user inputs, maintains context, and manages the state of the conversation to ensure coherence. 4. Context awareness. Definition: the ability of the AI to remember previous interactions and use that information to make the conversation more relevant. Importance: helps in maintaining continuity in conversations and understanding user intent more accurately. Technologies. 1. Chatbots. Definition: software applications that simulate human conversation. Types: rule-based chatbots, follow predefined rules and scripts. AI-based chatbots use NLP and ML to understand and respond more flexibly. 2. Voice assistants. Definition: AI-powered tools that use voice recognition to interact with users. Examples: Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple Siri. 3. Language models. Definition: algorithms that can generate human-like text based on given input. Examples: GPT-3 by OpenAI, BERT by Google. Function: they are trained on vast amounts of text data to understand language nuances and generate relevant responses. Working mechanism. 1. Input processing. User input is captured either as text, typing, or speech, voice. If it's voice, speech recognition technology converts it to text. Understanding the input. NLP techniques analyze the text to understand the meaning and intent. The system identifies keywords, phrases, and context. And 3. Generating a response. Based on the input understanding, the system formulates an appropriate response. NLG may be used to create a human-like reply. 4. Output delivery. The response is delivered back to the user as text or converted into speech using speech synthesis. Applications. 1. Customer service. Chatbots and voice assistants provide instant support and handle common inquiries, reducing the need for human agents. 2. Personal assistance. Tools like Siri and Alexa help users manage tasks, set reminders, and access information hands-free. 3. Healthcare. AI-powered systems can help schedule appointments, provide medical information, and even monitor patient health. Benefits. 1. 24/7 availability. Conversational AI can operate continuously without breaks, providing support at any time. 2. Scalability. Can handle multiple interactions simultaneously, unlike human agents. 3. Personalization. AI can use historical data to tailor responses and offer personalized experiences. Challenges. 1. Understanding complex queries. Sometimes AI may struggle with understanding nuanced or ambiguous language. 2. Maintaining context. Keeping track of long and detailed conversations to maintain context can be difficult. 3. Data privacy. Handling sensitive information requires strict adherence to data privacy regulations. In summary, conversational AI aims to make human-machine interaction as seamless and natural as possible using advanced technologies like NLP, ML, and dialogue management systems. Its applications are diverse, ranging from customer service to personal assistance, making it an integral part of modern digital interactions.